In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Phighting Roblox with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase the main ways in which you will be able to join a server and play Phighting with your friends. So first, if you want to play together in a public server, this is going to be a little bit more difficult. What you two will have to do is to go ahead and join. So join a public server on Phighting, choose the option to play, and you will load into this main lobby here in the plaza. So once you load in, look for the option to play and the NPC here. So you will load in and then you walk towards this play sign with this NPC. So you talk to him, so press F and then choose 1. Hey kid, wanna head out to battle? Press 1. And now you will see the options to join. So you have regular fishing matches, or fighting matches, sorry, and then beginner matches. I'm going to click on open. Now you will see the server list. All that you have to do is copy the code. So for example, this one has a code of 1822, and then you and your friend can go ahead and enter the same code. If you want to, you can join the server from the list and then just tell them the code. It doesn't matter. As long as both of you end up on the same match, meaning the same corresponding code, you will be able to play together here or against each other on a public match with random people. Now, if you want to do a closed 1v1, 2v2, whatever you prefer, then I recommend using a private server. So you go over to servers, you choose the option to create a free private server, join the server, and now once you are in, you essentially do the same thing. You go over to play, you walk over towards the NPC, and your friends will join the private server with you. So when you load in, you can start the actual match by walking over to the NPC in there. And by talking to him, pressing 1, you will also see the option here, open. And because you are in a private server, it is just going to throw you in a match right away. You will be able to vote for the map, control some options, and as long as your friends join you through Roblox, so they go to their Roblox friends list and they choose the option to join your private server, all of you can play together and you can set up the server however you prefer. Now, I hope this video helped you. Before I end, however, I want to highlight something I've noticed when I checked the channel metrics. 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe to our channel, you can help us bring you the highest quality videos and the best solutions to your problems, so consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.